All right, my name's Busy with Cape Analytics. Love to tell you all about myself, but I only have 3 minutes, so I'll tell you a little bit about what we do. We are here for the underwriting side of property insurance. Right now, specifically personal lines, single-family homes. That will expand to commercial down the line, but I think it's important to set that stage on the underwriting side as opposed to the claims side. So what are we solving for? Well, it's that traditional problem that carriers have today of balancing high quantity of property tax data or traditional pre-fill data that is at a very low cost, but typically not very accurate. And then the other side of the spectrum that is the highly accurate but highly costly and time-consuming data that's collected from an inspection. So we're trying to, or we are bringing that all together and delivering near inspection quality data at the economics of pre-fill, and most importantly, at that time and scale of pre-fill, so at time of quote, pre-binding. How are we doing that? So we are, may I also tell you what we're not capturing imagery. We are acquiring aerial imagery, satellite, drone, airplane. We're feeding that into literally thousands of cloud computing instances, Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, and applying our secret sauce, which is our computer vision machine learning algorithms against that. So we're doing this, we're on our way to doing this across the country. We're live now in Florida and the Eastern Seaboard. But what we do is we ingest imagery, very current imagery, and extract property elements that are important to carriers so that whenever you feed us through API call an address or address and lat long, we can feed you back the property elements that you care about and you've subscribed to. So we're not going out once you feed us the address to acquire the information and bring it back to you. Therefore, our cost is very low and our turnaround time is immediate. And so then this can be for direct-to-consumer, help the carriers reduce the application process. Everyone's after trying to get down to 5 questions, or there's a carrier out there today that's just collecting address and piping into companies like ourselves to return the necessary information so that they can provide a quote. So here's some information, some things that we're identifying: roof shape, roof covering material, presence of pool enclosures, pools, trampolines, diving boards. And here's just imagery on the left. It looks as though that's a weather map, but in fact, those are all single-family homes that our algorithms identified. We work at time of quote, renewal feed, and we can also do an entire review of a portfolio. And why does it matter? Well, because if you're off, if you're underpricing or overpricing, you either have retention risk or you have an underwriting risk. Thanks so much. You can reach me at busy@Cape Analytics, and we're out at a table as well.